In today's video, I'll show you how to manage staff availability in Acuity Scheduling, step by step. If you have a team or multiple service providers, controlling availability is essential to avoid conflicts and keep your schedule organized. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Business Settings or Staff section from the left-hand menu. This is where all team members and their schedules are managed. Now select the staff member whose availability you want to edit. Click on their profile to open scheduling settings. Next, go to the availability section for that staff member. Here, you can set working hours for each day of the week. You can define specific time slots such as morning, afternoon, or evening shifts depending on their schedule. If the staff member has different working days, you can easily customize each day individually or leave days blank when they are off. You can also block off time for breaks, meetings, or personal time, so those hours won't be available for bookings. After adjusting availability, click Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, Acuity will only show available time slots based on each staff member's schedule. If a client books an appointment, the system will automatically assign or let the client choose an available staff member depending on your setup. Before finishing, preview your booking page to make sure availability is showing correctly for each team member. And that's it. You've successfully managed staff availability in Acuity Scheduling and created a smooth scheduling system for your team. And that's how you manage staff availability in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.